today we're going to be doing a barn tour of Waterfall stables. Well, let's head to the barns. Over here we got my horse Waterfall. She's a beauty. She's one of my favorite horses. And her baby Spark. She is one of the fastest runners here. And let's see. Well, over here is Blackie. He is a champion rider, and his baby Brownie. And let's move over here. Here I got a little poop scooper, and then here's a little tag box with food and horse glue, and then I got a bucket, and then in here, and this is Romer, and here I got a bucket and some horse treats. You can see that good. And then over here, I got Champion. He's a black racehorse. And then put him aside. And then I got Heartbreaker. She's one of my favorite horses, and her baby Lightfall. It's hard to remember these horses' names. Champion. And over here we got Spots right here. She has a little red mark on her, I don't know why. Her baby Jello. And this dad Star. And here's Rebecca. She is a class rider, and she's 8 years old. Let's move on to the wash stall and barn. Over here we got my little wash stall. We were going to get a different wash stall, but we couldn't find it. And then you got a little hat right here. And in here is a little bag that has the colt's blanket, and there's a bucket for water. And if you come up here, you got a saddle and a bridle. Then you got a horse named Skill. He has lots of skills. He's really good at doing tricks. And this is my second favorite horse. Her name's Queen. Now I'm gonna put her back in here, which could take a little while. I don't like this barn at all. It's really hard to get them to stand up in here. No, I'm just gonna put him outside. There we go. And their colt, and this is their colt. This is their colt feather. And then get over here. This is my little dog. Chuck. And he has his food bowl, and there's carrots in that bucket. And this is Oreo, and this is baby Spots. This is Albine, and her baby Jealous, just like Jello, but her name's Jealous. And this is what's her name? I got Flower.
Hello.
This one's Jade. And her baby Cinta. And then this is another class rider, which is Rebecca's friend, and her name is Zoe.
Got more to show me? More?
And then over here I got my trailer. Has a door right there that has a saddle and saddle pad, and then like horse fly gear. And then this right here is a friend of mine named Abra. And this is the truck I have in here. It has cup holders and stuff in here. As you can see. It's really cool. And then you got, there's my cat, Callie. And then this, it just opens in there. So I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Stay tuned for my next episode. Bye!